So today we're going to present Golgi tendon organ, and it's by me and Kevin. So the Golgi tendon organ was discovered by Camillo Golgi, and he also discovered Golgi mazzoni corpus. Golgi was the first to be successful in staining myelin components of axons, which he used to discover the myelin annular apparatus. The Golgi impregnation first offered to microscopic studies individual neurons in glial cells. This laid the foundation of neural histology and neuroanatomy, opening a new era for neuroscience. So here are some facts about the Golgi tendon organ. Some facts about Golgi tendon organ. Golgi tendon organs are pro, proprioceptors that are located in the tendon adjacent to the myotendinosus junction. Proprioceptors is a type of sensory receptor that senses changes in a muscle tension. It resembles a tree-like sensory ending enclosed in spindle-like connective tissue capsules that lies near the junction of a tendon with a muscle. So the functions of GTOs sense muscular tension within muscles when they contract or stretched. When the GTO is activated during contraction, it causes inhibition of contraction, also known as autogenic inhibition, which is an automatic reflex. GTOs are responsible for sending information to the brain as soon as they are sensed in overload. And here's an example of what goes on in Golgi tendon organ reflex. Right here you could see the tree-like muscle fibers. Okay, so for physical therapy, when people are lifting weights, the GTO can sense and tell how much tension the muscle is exerting. If there's too much muscle tension, the GTO will inhibit the muscle from creating any force, thus protecting you from injury. Knowledge of GTOs and muscle spindles are important concepts in muscle stretches. Now I pass it on to Kevin.
Okay, for the location, it is located in the in the musculo-tendinous junction of muscles, innervated by type 1B neural fibers. GTOs are in series with extrafusal fibers that inform the CNS about the tension of the muscle. So the nerve supply, the sensory nerve fiber supplying the GTO belongs to type 1B. Normally, the responses from the spinal cord or from the CNS are mostly relaxation of the muscle. When tension develops in a muscle, the GTO fires, inhibiting alpha motor neuron activity and decreases tension in the muscle tendon unit being stretched. The Golgi tendon organ is highly sensitive to internal tension caused by active contraction from motor neurons. There's a test. There's a passive stretch, which is a yanking tendon and muscle will require lots of force for GTO to fire. And there is also a test for active contraction, which is activating single muscle fiber internally instead of stretching it from outside causes the GTO to fire. Some of the characteristics, slowly adapting fibers, no efferent innervation, so the cell body lies in the dorsal root ganglion. The GTO provides inhibitory signals to alpha motor neurons, allowing for fine control of muscle activation. It also has a tension feedback system, which means it's a dampening mechanism to prevent overcontraction or stretching of the muscle. And here are our citations. Any question?
Okay, please, can you show the reference? Yeah. Okay. Questions? Can you go to the back, the last slide, please? 1 second. Okay. Okay, questions? No questions? Okay, I have one question. In this slide, you mentioned slow adapting fibers, no efferent innervation.
Oh, it's supposed to be afferent?
Huh? I'm asking you
Because
because you say there, so the cell's body lies in the dorsal root ganglion. If it is in the dorsal root ganglion,
Yeah, I'm sorry, the other typo thing.
it is afferent. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So do the arrangement that you had to do. Then GPO provides inhibitory signals to the alpha motor neurons, allowing the fine control of the muscle activation. So, or is run the efferent or is run the dorsal. Because if it is efferent, must be ventral. If it is afferent, must be dorsal. Yes?
Yes.
Are you agree with that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so check this and correct it. And then post submit it. Okay? Very good. Thank you.